I'm doing another vlog today because I'm going to travel again. Like finally in this whole entire year, I never been traveled to anywhere. Yeah, this is the first time in this year that I get to travel. Yeah, this time I'm going to China again. But before I go to Guangzhou, I will like stop in Bangkok and I think another state in China, which I don't remember what state was that. But yeah, I'm going to do today. I'm going to pack my luggage and I'm going to clean my house up for a bit before I going back to my hometown. I like to come back seeing my house in a very clean condition. Oh, it just feels good. I'm still thinking whether should I take my car for a wash later, but we'll see. So I'm gonna clean my house right now and I'm gonna see you guys later. So I think I pretty much cleaned up the house. I mopped the floor, swept the floor, cleaned up the kitchen and arranged some of my stuff because my stuff are always scattered around. I'm a designer, what do you expect? So, tell you guys about my schedules for a bit. So today is 22nd of September. I'm going back to my hometown on tomorrow, 23rd. And I'm gonna collect my visa first from the China embassy before I go back, and hopefully I can send some of my parcel to customer orders. Okay, pretty much like that. I will fly on 27th to Bangkok. At 29th I will be flying to China. I'm not very sure, I don't really remember the state name. And technically this is a work trip. It's not you know, having fun trips. I'm traveling with my dad and my sister for a work trip. Basically we go China to, you know, work. I will try to pack something that is not so showy, you know, Asian parents, they are really naggy. They nag a lot, which yeah, I don't want, you know, I can't handle that. I can't handle nagging parents. That's the reason why I'm staying alone. I don't stay with my parents, so yeah. Anyways, some updates about my life. So I recently watched a series. I just started yesterday night. I watched the series at my friend's house. It's called Lucifer. Oh my god, I love it. I love the series. Like crime scene investigation. It's more like yeah, it's like investigate case by case, that kind of story, which is my type. I tried to watch 13 Reasons Why lately too, but I don't think it's my type of series because I think the story is a bit slow at the beginning. I'm not really into it. I like that type of, you know, series that it won't like really make me hooked up to this drama or the series. I think that's the reason why I don't really watch those, you know, Korean Chinese idol series, idol drama, because it will make you feel like you want more, like you want to see more, because it was so addictive. I don't really like that kind of, you know, that feeling. So I don't really watch a lot of series and dramas, so I only picked up, you know, those that I like to watch. Yeah, so pretty much that. Recently Malaysia is really hazy. We have really serious haze right here. It's not really that bad today, but yesterday was really bad. Yesterday I can even smell the burning smell inside my house, which is really bad. And you can see like there's a layer of white, white colored thing floating in the air, which is disgusting, man. Hopefully when I come back to Malaysia the haze is gone. I will be coming back to Malaysia on 8th of October, so hopefully the haze is gone after I upload this video. So yeah, I'm going to pack right now. So I'm just showing you guys how clean is my house right now. Actually, it's not much different, just that I just cleaning up the things, like arrange them properly. And I have my new plushie right here. Oh, pink unicorn. This is Corgi. This is Woof. So this is my new plushie. Pinky baby. This is not mine. Okay, I have way too much plushie, so this is for my little sister and this is for my third sister. I'm gonna try to bring them back because it's quite big. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't. Let me try to put them in my luggage. I don't think it can fit. Like it will just, my luggage will be really full like that. We'll see. So I think I'm not gonna take them back first because I'm not driving back home, and yeah, I'm taking bus, so I don't think it's too much for me to bring back. I think I'm gonna bring back for them next time. I'm sorry. This is a shirt that my sis got it from me from Bangkok, I think. It's so cute. Look at the husky, so cute, right?
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh,